Hi, my name is Stan and I'm going to show you today how to use the JTAG self-check-in version 2. To insert the model, go to the model tab, then click on this button here with the download arrow, click it, then select your the file that you got, which is the self-check-in v2.rbxm file. When you insert it, you get 2 units. And if you look in Explorer, there's a large folder with all these kinds of values. I of course really advise you to read the README carefully, which is here. I am first going to read it for you. Thank you for purchasing the self-check-in. I hope you enjoyed. Here are a few instructions. Please fill out the values below accordingly. The cars/tickets should be stored in replicated storage. If you wish to change the background, make sure to change the image label called blocker as well. And where do you change that? No, well, you actually don't. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but you really need to. So I edited some things in the meantime. I added these tickets, which will function as our tickets we get from the machines. I set up all the stuff that we need to do. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to the main group that is using it and copy the ID found in the GID equals. Then after that, copy that and go to here to the README. And then here is a group rank. So group ID, then you want to paste that in, and the minimum group rank needs to be at least 100, which are host. Then what we want to do next, I just click to base plate, so we are not going to fully remove it, but we're just going to move it aside. Then we want to move the ticket here to replicate storage, so it's nice and snug, so it will disappear here. And then we want to fill in the names that we gave the tickets. So the economy ticket is Eco, business class ticket is BUS, bus, first class ticket is first. There you go. Then we have this business class t-shirt. We have here the idea of the business class, and we just copy it, and then we just paste it here in the idea, in which this is perfectly usable. The business group rank is well, you can choose to get the rank. Go to group admin, then go to roles, and then here have a list of all ranks. So let's say check-in assistant is like business class, then you put in 10, and if ground crew is first class, this will be 11, so they can check in. And also copy the photo of the first class here. And now you have correctly set up your machines, so you can just copy and paste these around to your likings. You can size them. Oh, it's a little bit too big for my likings. You can size them, you can select them, you can play with them all you like, so you can just put them in your airports. And when we play test the place, which will of course take a little bit of time, but it will load almost instantly, but my computer is pretty laggy, so we're not going to attempt any of that fully business, and it will of course run. So these are pre-configured. You can just click right on the screen and it will say check-in is currently closed, and it will say these fake information. The information is editable by clicking admin in the top right corner, which will of course select your group. Let's say the flight number is EG 1002, the destination is Amsterdam. Skip all. I spelled it right. Boarding time is 7 p.m. and the departure time will be 7:30 p.m. Just gonna make sure the right format is correct. You can choose whatever you fill in here, but it will of course show you. The gate is E3, and of course we are currently on time. We submit. It will of course be great, and we have those cool informations. It will show up on each device from now on. So if we go to these devices, it will still say we're going to Amsterdam Schiphol. If you click admin, you can open or close check-ins too. So when we click open, hey, we can print tickets here. And we successfully checked in and we received the ticket. You can just click exit now. But what this check-in does, otherwise it also checks if you already own the shirt. So let's just go to a random t-shirt in the catalog, find it to test it out, of course. Just a random item we're gonna choose. Ding dong. So of course we gotta act cool and got the ski lodge fedora, because they are so hip. If you use like a ticket from someone else, don't forget to go to workspace. Oh, this is not supposed to be there. And click here, allow third party sales. Now if you paste the ID in, it will of course not work because I do not own the ski lodge fedora. However, it looks pretty great. Look at this, ski blocks. So what we now open the check-in by going to admin, open, and try to print business class. Oh, and I didn't change that one, of course. Let's just try another thing first. Oh, I'm already checked in. Ah, shoot. I'm just a doof. Oh yes, I goofed. I did something wrong. But it will cancel your check-in. So this is a great system. I recommend you buy them. If you have any questions, we have a bot in Discord, which is called support. And if you DM the bot, we will get ready in an instant. So thanks for using JTech products and have a great day.